With strategic modeling, you can project account values for forecast periods. You can define unique forecast methods for each account by selecting from several predefined forecast methods, or you can create your own. You can also build your own free-form formulas. That way, you can calculate account values based on a formula you choose. Accounts within templates include their own predefined forecasting methods. However, you can revise the account's calculation to better meet your business needs. For more information on forecast methods, visit Oracle Help Center and refer to the Defining the Forecast Method for Accounts section in Working with Planning for Oracle Enterprise Planning and Budgeting Cloud. On the income statement, we can see cost of goods sold. We can also see its impact on other financial data. You can review the forecast method for any account on the income statement or the balance sheet. To see how an account is calculated, navigate to the Account View tab. On the Account View tab, you can review or define the forecast method by selecting Account Forecast. The forecast window shows the forecast method used for this account. We can see that cost of goods sold is calculated by taking a percentage of another account, sales. When you enter an input value for cost of goods sold account, you enter a value that represents a percentage, and you define the account that is used along with that percentage to calculate an output value for cost of goods sold. So, in this case, with sales of just over 898 million and an input value of cost of goods sold of 57, the calculated output value of cost of goods sold is well over 512 million. You can change the forecast method. Currently, we are forecasting cost of goods sold as a percentage of sales. Instead, let's forecast cost of goods sold using a value that we enter rather than a percentage of another account. Now we can enter the input values for cost of goods sold and save the changes. After changing the input values for cost of goods sold, the output values need to be calculated. We'll calculate the output values for the current scenario. After calculating the output values, notice that cost of goods sold also impacts other accounts. Let's be sure to save our changes. Now, I can review the cost of goods sold account on the account view. Notice the output value is different than it was before to reflect the updated forecast method. Let's review our forecast data in a report. We can see how the updated data impacts this financial statement. Here, you can see the value of cost of goods sold, and here you can see the value of gross profit. We can also take a look at the cash flow report. Changing cost of goods sold impacts accounts such as operating profit on the cash flow report. You can calculate account values based on the formula you choose. You can include free-form formulas such as this one. The formula details used to forecast this account are shown here. To learn more, visit docs.oracle.com.